In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances in Notion. We're going to set up a simple, reliable finance tracker using a Notion template so you can start logging expenses, monitoring income, and keeping an eye on your budget with minimal friction. Open Notion and look to the very top left of your screen. Next to your workspace name, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that to open the main menu. This expands a panel with quick links and tools you'll use to bring templates into your workspace. From that menu, click Templates. This opens Notion's template options. If you also see a Templates link that takes you to the Notion Marketplace, go ahead and click it as well. The Marketplace is where you'll find a wide range of community and Notion-made templates, including several purpose-built for personal finance. It's the fastest way to start with a well-structured page instead of building everything from scratch. Once you're in the marketplace, find the search bar at the top and type Finances. Press Enter to see all the templates related to budgeting, expense tracking, and money management. You'll notice different approaches. Some keep it minimal with a single database, while others include dashboards, charts, and multiple linked views. Take a moment to skim the preview images and the descriptions so you can gauge what matches your workflow. If you prefer something lightweight, choose a clean, straightforward tracker. If you like dashboards and visuals, pick one that highlights monthly summaries and spending categories. After you've found a template that fits your style, click to open it, then select Add. This copies the template into your workspace so you can use and customize it. Depending on your setup, Notion may ask which workspace to add it to. Just confirm the right one. When the page loads in your sidebar, open it to get started. Now, it's time to make the template yours. Begin by editing the core properties. Rename categories to match how you actually spend and earn. Choose your preferred currency symbol and confirm that the amount field is set to a number format with the correct currency. Adjust tags like needs, wants, fixed, or variable so they reflect how you think about money. If the template includes views like this month or by category, check that their filters align with your current dates. Replace any sample entries with your own, or create a few real transactions right away. Date, description, category, and amount, so the totals and roll-ups start working. You can also tweak the page cover and icon to make the dashboard feel inviting. That's it. Open the menu, go to Templates, search Finances, select a template, add it to your workspace, and edit it to fit your life. Keep it updated consistently, and your Notion Finance Tracker will become a clear snapshot of where your money goes.